My name is Craig Theiler. I'm the General Manager here at ERL Law Valve. I'm going to be talking to you today about our rebuild and certification procedures for an ERL high velocity PV valve. When a valve first comes in to be rebuilt, our technicians will first inspect the work order, confirm that along with the serial number of the valve to indicate that they are rebuilding the correct valve for the correct customer. After that, they will perform an initial inspection of the valve, ensuring that the external non-wearable components are not damaged, such as the housing and the body. Following that, they will disassemble the valve. Now that the valve has been disassembled, we can do a further inspection of the non-wearing components to ensure there's no damage, such as the body of the valve, the lever assembly, including the weights, and the cone. After that, we'll tape off the sealing surfaces on both the vacuum side and the pressure side and send the valve to be sandblasted. Since Law Valve is owned by ERL, we're able to use the same OEM specified procedures to ensure that each technician follows a step-by-step process as they rebuild the valves. Once the valve has been reassembled, we certify it here on our custom engineered test machine that's the same as the OEM. This test machine allows us to identify precisely when your valve is opening to ensure it doesn't leak below set pressure. We're able to do this through the use of 8 digital pressure sensors that also allow us to identify exactly where your valve is opening to ensure the cone and the seat are properly aligned. After the ERL high velocity PV valve is certified, a flow curve is generated that indicates the maximum pressure drop for each valve, which verifies the variance between the initial opening pressure and the maximum pressure prior to the valve reseating. Once the valve has been reassembled and certified, you can install it with confidence that it was rebuilt to the same specifications as the OEM. Some of the many benefits of rebuilding your high velocity PV valves with Law Valve is our OEM-backed engineering support, our OEM-specified rebuild kits, and our custom engineered test machine that's the same as the manufacturer. If you have any questions regarding ERL high velocity PV valves or any of Law Valve's products or services, please feel free to go to our website at www.lawvalveoftexas.com.